The shift of fashion from not talking about sustainability at all to now being in this place where it's kind of emerging more, I would say in order for it to be systemic change, it needs to, be demanded. Adif really started because we wanted to have an impact.
I started my brand in 2008, 2009. I've always had sustainability in mind when it comes to the brand. I don't think I can make product anymore unless it is healthy for the planet.
I grew up in Da Nang, Vietnam. It is the epicenter of the leather manufacturing and textile pollution. Tom Test is 100% bio-based material. 17 million tons of scissor waste and coffee grounds end up in the landfill every year. I can see this as the opportunity for me to turn something as waste, potentially be an alternative to leather.
With every product that we're making, we're trying to streamline it so that way it could be easily repaired if a customer buys it. And then in a few years, it wears down how we could repair it or turn it into something else. Sustainability is more than just caring for the environment. It's also caring about the people behind the seams of the garment. We've grown to that level of actually opening our own factory that employs resettled refugee tailors, actually that we were able to open because of the CFDA Elaine Gold Launchpad program.
We work a lot with the OR Foundation, and so basically what we've been doing is taking a lot of single-use tees and remaking them. 40% of those tees that go to the markets will just end up in a landfill or like in the ocean. You need to know where your fabric's coming from, who's making it. You have to go see the crops where they're made. It's literally down from the soil. Hopefully in the next 10 years, people will start being happier with a successful small business and not put huge demands and be like, this is how many clothes I make in a year, period. This is what sustains me, this is what keeps my employees paid, and this is the only impact I allow myself to have on the planet.
People pay attention for sustainable and eco-friendly products that we together can help to protect the planet. Sustainability at this point is not a trend anymore. For the business perspective, it's a profit, but for everyone is the survival. Yeah, we're gonna get there.
Sustainability shouldn't be a commodity that's bought or sold. It should start with what you already have and buying less. That's where a lot of the smaller brands and the community building comes in. From the designer, from the founder, thinking about every single hand in the process and the way, but then also how we can convey to our customers the best way that they can live a sustainable life with us.